Hey everyone, it's a tech bro Arnold. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to do a deep dive review of the LEMFO LT10 Smartwatch that I showed you guys when I acquired it, and it was delivered. So let me take you through it. So since that time I managed to use it, set it up, all the features as you can see. This is the default wallpaper. I changed it, and this is what I'm using now. Let me show you. So you can change the type of wallpaper that you want on the phone. That's it. And then, as I told you, it came with a charger. This charger is magnetic, so this is what I found quite difficult to use. The phone is that I want to charge it. This charger is magnetic, so this is how you should place it. If you place it the other way around, like this way, it's the like pulse, so it won't attract. Let me show you. So you see this, it's repelling, but when you place it this other way side, nice, the magnet has attracted it, so it's the unlike pulse. So that's how you connect it to. It may challenge you. There's a client who got it and was finding a hard time to charge it, so I had to explain it how to do it. The easiest way was to do it this way. You see? Yeah, this way. You can see the shine of this material. This is metallic, the stainless steel. So nice. So that's about the charger. And then it also comes with this. It's a screwdriver or what? Small one to adjust. If you want to change these straps to rubber, you just come here and touch this small pin here. There's a pin here. I don't know if you can see it. This one to push back, and then you'll be able to remove the straps and maybe use a rubber one. Yeah, so when you get to that, the first thing you do, you can scan this. You see this QR code, this one here. You open the QR code, scan on your phone, scan it. It will take you to a website where you choose either to use the app to download it if you're on iOS, you're on iPhone, or you go to the store, the app store. If you're using an Android device, it will take you to Play Store. You download the app. After that, the app is very straightforward. You open the watch like this, open your Bluetooth, scan for devices. You'll see the L10, connect it. After connecting, that's it. Very simple. And then now if you want to connect to make calls via Bluetooth, let me just show you. Now after connected, the phone has been connected to the smartwatch, right? So you tap here once. This is where you choose your screensavers here. You see, they're quite a lot. These, and these. So after that, you selected me onto this one here. So this is the home page. You see, there's the calendar, the heartbeat, the basic apps, music, commonly used apps are down here. So do this. So if you want to go straight to the applications, you just double tap like this, and then you can scroll which one you want. You see, all apps, weather, which one you just select from here. And then the good thing, you can launch the camera here. So when you click on tap on start, the camera on my phone will open. That's a cool feature. And then now you can use this as a remote. Maybe when I set up the camera somewhere, and then I just want to take shots, so I just tap it on my phone, on my wrist tap, and then it takes or records. And then there's the music, heart rate. You see. Now, then there's about, and then there's Siri. I can use Siri from here. When I tap here, it will automatically open Siri, and then you can command it just the way you normally use Siri on your iPhone. So there's the gesture control here. When you tap it on, when you do this, it will be on and off. There's the dynamic, this one here, to make the watch more dynamic. Setting date, backlight time. Backlight time, this one. Let me use 3 minutes so that the video can be longer. I mean, you can see what I'm doing. Bed lamp when you are going to sleep. Cover the phone. This is another unique feature. The brightness you can increase or decrease depending on how you want it. You see, if you want the screensaver so that the phone doesn't sleep, you can tap it and just keep it on like that. So it will be always like this all the time. It won't shut down. Okay, where was I? Here. There's the screensaver, so that when you want it off, you can select the languages. It has a lot of languages. So depending on where you come from, you select your language, and then you can set the time. So that's it about the more. And then this is the way they are set up. The home page is set up like the home screen. The home screen. There are a lot of styles to set up the home screen. You see, you can use that. Either you can use your fingers to rotate it, or use this thing over here to rotate it. That's one. So I already showed you that. And then to go to the home page, and then there's another style. Sorry, I wanted to show you this style. So how you, depending on how you want the home screen to look, there's this style. So you just, if you want to find an app, just scroll it like this, and you look for it. This one wants those who, okay, it's easy to know which app you want because we already displayed there. So that's style 1, then there's style 2, this one, and then there's the style 3, if you want this way, this style 3, and then there's style 4, this one. You can see. Tell me in the comment section which style you prefer. There's this, and then there's style 5, this is style 5. Okay, style 5, and then finally style 6, this one. May prefer style, let me see which one is good for me. This one. I prefer style 6. So we'll use style 6 for now. So here we can scroll the apps. This is sleep mode. This is to find an app, to find if it's lost, to look for your device. It will vibrate. Then the weather, temperature right now, it tells you that. If you want to reset it, stopwatch, music, message, blood pressure. You can measure blood pressure. So when you turn it on, you see the sensors back here, the lighting. So when I have the watch on my wrist, it will measure everything and tell me it told me the 40 minutes ago it was on 2081. I don't know. Paramedics tell me if that's healthy or not. I don't know. You can launch your camera from here. I don't want to interrupt the video. There's the calendar. Yes, sports mode. If you're running, now you can set up this one now to calibrate it on how you want it to measure. Maybe you're running, you're riding a bike, you're training, you're on basketball. Depending on the sport you're playing, you select one. Tennis, volleyball, football. Okay. ECG. This is measure the beats per minute of your heart. Like when I do this, you notice the sensors are on. You can see it's blinking, so it's measuring. You need to maybe to do this. Let me see. How long does it take to do this? It's measuring. Don't have time. Yeah, we'll come to find out how many it is. Then there's the health metrics. Where was I? Not this. This one. Health metrics. Blood oxygen level. You can measure that. So it's measuring. You can see the sensors are on. Yeah, they are. So yeah, I'm assuming you should have the watch on because there were some readings before I had reset everything. Oh, this one is saying 99%. So my blood oxygen level is awesome. Okay. Yeah, there's someone who asked me on the comment, shout out to you, how to make a call. So that's simple. What you do when you come here, you just dial 144 and then when I press this, let me show you again. So if you want to make a call, when I click on the dial, tap on the dialer, and then I can dial, and then once I tap this on, but for now it won't work until let me show you. So I'll have to have this feature on. Let me just show you this feature. Where is it? Not this. Sorry. This one. Now Bluetooth call is on here. This is what I was looking for. Then is the gesture mode. Gesture control. I can control it with my gestures. Let's have it on because it can turn on some features which we are not interested right at the moment. So when that's on, I was telling you about making a call. So when do this, see, Bluetooth calling is on now. When you go to the apps, like say the dialer, when I dial this and this, when I tap on this icon, this one here, it will make a call and the video will stop. So I don't want to do that now. Yeah, but that's how you make a call. Very easy. Make sure that thing is on. This feature, this one. Make sure this is on. When it's off, you can't make a call. So when it's off, okay, and then there's the flight mode. If you don't want to get any alerts to stay offline, use that. Dialer, let me see if it will interrupt the video. Now that I've removed that. Oh, it won't call. You see, when it's off, it can't make a call. But when I turn this thing on, you see this one, when I have it on, and then now I go back to the dialer here, and then I type in some numbers. Immediately I press this icon here, this one, it will make a call and the video will stop. I've tried that, so I don't want to do that again. So that's basically it about this smartwatch. Oh, it finished. The heart rate is here, 78 beats per minute. The one that took a lot of time to show. Then when you walk, it will tell you these are the steps, total steps have been sitting. So Yeah, it's accurate. How to walk straight. So you can check out that app. Where was it? This was it. That was taking a lot of time to measure. It's done. 78 beats per minute. I think that's the healthy. In biology, you learn something like that the heartbeat should be around 70 something to 80 something. So right now it's saying 83. Yeah, so guys, that's basically it about this watch. The design is so nice. It looks classy. Look at it. And then this stainless steel, no rust, no nothing. And then it's solid, very very solid. The back is so nice. Look, the shiny. It's shiny. The red on this thing, stainless steel. And then of course this is the cover. And then this one, the packaging. Then you just keep this in case, but you don't have to keep it because there's the app here, and you just go to about settings here, and then about more about, not about, the QR code. Where was it? Not Siri. Oh, here, QR code. So when I do this, I scan it, immediately it shows me the site and I can download. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for staying till the end. Remember, if you're interested in this watch or any other color, I have black. We have black in store, black with rubber, black with stainless steel, and then pink with the only stainless steel. The pink one is only stainless steel. Let me just see if I can find it. Yeah, they're in store, the pink one. So there's a link down below there to the WhatsApp business number, where you click, check out the catalog. You can find some other interesting, cool electronics over there. Make your order. The good thing is that you pay on delivery. You pay after you receive the product, not before. So, and we deliver countrywide. Anyway you want, just make the order. Someone will reach out, and then yeah, thank you. Bye.